Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a no-bake gingerbread pops idea. This is an easy and fun activity to do with family and friends. Let's dive in and get started. Here's what we'll need: gingerbread, Oreo, or any similar cookies, pretzels, chocolate, and Christmas sprinkles. First, twist open the cookies and melt dark chocolate. Dip one end of a pretzel into the melted chocolate. Place it on one half of the cookie and cover it with the other cookie half. Chill them in the refrigerator until set. Dip the pups in the melted chocolate to coat them completely, and chill again until set. Once the pups are chilled, decorate them with melted white chocolate and sprinkle them with Christmas decorations. Feel free to get creative and decorate them however you like. And that's it! Your no-bake gingerbread pups are ready to enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.